Hello, boys and girls. Today is going to be a special day of learning about butterflies. We're going to focus on one book, and that book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And all us teachers know this is one of your favorite stories about a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. Now, do you remember the stages of the butterfly, which is the butterfly life cycle or the metamorphosis? Let's review before we read our book. 1, eggs. 2, caterpillar. 3, chrysalis. And 4, butterfly. And that's how the little egg turns all the way into the butterfly. Now, after I read this book, we're going to try to do 2 activities. One was counting our fruits from the story, and the other one is sequencing the life cycle of a butterfly the way they have it in the book, and I have it right here. So we're going to do a sequencing lesson and a counting lesson, and there'll be 2 more videos today that has to do with the very hungry caterpillar. Let's read our book and find out what happens so we can do our activities. Let's begin. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. And what's inside that egg? Excellent. Yes, a caterpillar. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He's very hungry, so he started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Still hungry. Let's see what he's going to eat. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a good stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. His stomach ache felt better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon. It's also called a chrysalis around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and what did he become, everyone? Excellent. He was a beautiful butterfly that could fly away. There he goes. Fly to you. All right. Hope you enjoyed the book. Now, let's go back in the book and find out how many fruits he ate. So I'm going to move this here and move you down, and now you could see me much better on my mat. Now, take out your how many fruit sheet. You could use crayons, markers, or colored pencils for this part. And I have markers here. And we're going to see, it said, how many apples did the caterpillar eat on Monday? So how many apples? Good. 1. So you color 1 apple. And I'm going to use the same color. I'm coloring the apple to write my number. And then we'll review when we're done. 1 apple. How many pears did the caterpillar eat on Tuesday? How many? 1, 2. Good, he ate 2 pears. So you color 2 pairs in. 1 pair and 2 pairs. All right, number 2. How many plums did the caterpillar eat on Wednesday? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 plums. Take the purple and color in your plums. And then 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, and I'm going to write the number 3. Good. Now, so far, I'll show you what it looks like. See? Good. Now, how many strawberries did the caterpillar eat on Thursday? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. And I'm going to use pink. So you're going to color 4 strawberries. Good job, everyone. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to write the number 4. How many oranges did the caterpillar eat on Friday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 5. So we're going to take orange and we're going to color all 5 oranges. And then we'll review what we did. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So let's see. Here we go. How many apples did the caterpillar eat on Monday? 1. How many pears did the caterpillar eat on Tuesday? 2. How many plums did the caterpillar eat on Wednesday? 3. How many strawberries did the caterpillar eat on Thursday? 4. And how many oranges did the caterpillar eat on Friday? 5. Good job. So happy that you all did that with me. Now, put the book to the side, and this is where you need your black marker or any color marker. You need glue. You need your scissors. You need the paper for the Lifecycle butterfly sequencing. And you need a piece of construction paper. You open up your glue and get ready. That's what I'm doing. See, I'm ready to glue. Got my glue. Now first you're going to cut this out so you can cut the strips. Or you can write the numbers on it, but I'm cutting the strips. So first you cut away from your body and you cut out what you're going to need to glue on to your construction paper. So see, I moved the paper and I'm still cutting away from my body. Now I'm going to cut each strip out, and there's 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to read to you what they are in the order they put it in. And we're going to put it in the right order. Are you ready? So it says, 2 weeks later, the cocoon changes into a beautiful butterfly. So I put that up here. And it says, there is an egg on a leaf. I don't think it's in the right order, do you? No. It grows fat. The egg hatches into a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. The caterpillar eats a lot. it changes into a cocoon or chrysalis. So I have my glue, I have my marker. What happened first? What is the first thing that happens in the story? Do you remember in this butterfly life cycle, what happens first? Yes, there is an egg on the leaf. So you take your glue, put a strip of glue just like that, and then I'm going to put it on top and write 1. There's an egg on a leaf. So what happens? What comes out of the egg? Excellent. The egg hatches into a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. So that's the second thing that happens. So you're doing good so far with me. So that's number 2. Then what happens to the caterpillar? What does it do after it hatches? Yes, you're right. The caterpillar eats a lot. Okay. So I put that, and then I'm going to write 3. After it eats a lot, what happens to the caterpillar? It gets what? Yep, it grows fat. Okay, I'll put it over here and I'll write 4. Okay, after it grows fat, what happens? Excellent. It changes into a cocoon or chrysalis. Okay. Put it over here, and what do we write now is number 5. And last is the caterpillar. It was an egg, it was a caterpillar, it ate a lot of food, it grows fat, it went into a cocoon, and then what's last? Good job. 2 weeks later, the cocoon changes into a beautiful butterfly. So, put it here. Number 6. As you can tell, after I use a marker, I always close my marker. I'll bring my glue down to keep my glue good, like that. My scissors to the side, and we can see if you were right with me. 1, there is an egg on a leaf. 2, the egg hatches into a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. 3, the caterpillar eats a lot. 4, it grows fat. 5, it changes into a cocoon or chrysalis. And 6, 2 weeks later, the cocoon changes into a beautiful butterfly. Well, thank you for doing these 2 activities with me. Thank you for helping me with how many fruits did the caterpillar eat. And thank you for helping me with the very hungry caterpillar sequencing. I hope you take pictures or videos of you doing this. Send them to your teacher so we can see how much fun you are having learning today with the very hungry caterpillar. I'll see you soon. Bye.